Hello, always best students. Good morning, students. All we wear ready-made garments like shirt, trouser, jeans, etc. Do you know the process of making these things? Are you curious to know about this process? The class 7 civic chapter 9 a shirt word the two basic things. The first one that putting out a system weaving cloth at the homes. Students, in this we are going to particularly seeing the arrangement between the merchant and the weavers. It is a good example of putting out system. Then the merchant supplies the raw material to the weavers and they received the finished product from the weavers and sell it to the market, means the ready-made garment producers. The second, that market and equality. In this we are going to know about the market offers people the opportunities for work and sell things, but in that the rich and powerful people get a maximum profit and the poor mostly depend on the rich for many things. So students, let's start with these basic things. Okay, so how the uh, ready-made garments or the yarn makes. Okay, so here the traders or sometimes the farmers also sells the cotton, means raw cotton, at the kernel cotton market. Second, ginning mill buys the cotton. Third, ginning mill removes the seeds and presses the cotton into bales. Spinning mills buys the bales. Fifth, the spinning mills spin the cotton into yarn and spinning mills sell the yarn to the yarn dealers. Student, there is also a market in which the farmers sell the raw cotton, but they are not able to sell. Mostly who? The small farmers. The Swapna, a small farmer, grows a cotton in a small field, borrowed rupees 2500 from the trader at a very high interest. For what purpose? For buying a seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and for cultivation of a land. Students, all we know very well, for harvesting any crop it's take a lot of time or the several days, and hence after collection of the cotton, Swapna sell it to the local trader instead of kernel market in rupees 3000. Why instead of selling into the kernel market she sell the cotton to the trader? Because she had borrowed 2500, she should have to sell it to the trader. So hence instead of selling it to the kernel, Swapna sell the cotton to the trader. Students, the cloth market of Erode. Student, the Erode is a bi-weekly cloth market in Tamil Nadu, which is one of the largest cloth market in the world. Merchant supplies a raw material of the yarn to the weavers. The cloth made by weavers in the village are brought to the market for sale by the merchants. Students, if you see this picture, you have got that the yarn is to be prepared and is ready for selling. So means in the Erode market, the merchants who gave the raw material, spin to the weavers, and they finally produce the yarn, and that yarn come to the market. Next, the putting out system. The students put in the putting out system the arrangement between merchants and weavers. is the good example of the putting out system. Means how the system works, means how the cloth finally came to market. So the merchant purchased the yarn from the yarn making company. The weavers made the cloth from yarn as per the requirement of merchants. Means merchant, uh, whatever the requirements of his, he give to the weavers, and as per the requirement the weavers finished cloth from the weavers, and again the merchant supplies a cloth to a garment manufacturers and exporters. The merchant supplies the raw material and receives the finished product. This is the one of the good example of putting out system. So in this, what are the advantages and disadvantages to the weavers? So the advantages are, the weavers do not have to spend their money on the purchase of a yarn. Weavers do not have to think about the selling of finished cloth. Why? Because they don't have sufficient money to purchase the yarn and to sell the finished goods in the market. Then hence they are depending onto the merchants, and they are working for the merchants. Disadvantages to the weavers. So dependency on raw material and market makes merchants more powerful. Weavers are paid very less for making the cloth. The market works more in favor of the merchants. Students, the market offers opportunities.